Hello students, let us try to solve one more problem students. The problem is calculate the heat of formation of acetic acid from the following data. Okay, so we have to form the acetic acid. That equation itself is given students. This is the enthalpy as formation is what, that is formation of 1 mole of compound from its elemental state. So that is what are the acetic acid. If you talk about CH3COOH there, so from which element this is going to form student, that is 2 carbon are there student. So 2C, what are the hydrogen? 4 hydrogen, that is 2H2, and 2 oxygen are there. So these are the elemental state, right? Now we have to use 2, 3, 4, this equation we have to use, and then we have to frame out the questions students, right? So what we have to do, what are required reactant side, this product side, reactant side, this required in the product side, acetic acid required in the product side. So reverse equation 4, that is first things we have to do, reverse the equation 4. This is we have to reverse because acetic acid required in the product side. So dear students, firstly you write down what are their equation number first. So if you see this, if you are reversing, so it is 2CO2 is there, okay, 2CO2 plus 2H2O, it is what it is giving student, it is giving CH3COOH plus it is giving that is 2O2, right? And for this one enthalpy is formation is there 870.8, so that is you put out the positive, this is 870.8, this is. Now let us come to the next one. Next one, carbon is there, reactant side, so this one will be the same. So C plus O2, let it be like that same. So it is that is C plus O2, it is giving to be that is CO2, and enthalpy of formation is there, it is 394. Next one is there for H2. So if you are writing that is H2 plus half O2, H2 plus half O2, it is giving H2O, and its enthalpy is there 286. So these many values we got, and from these values we have to see these equations are coming or not. So whatever the common things are there, just you remove of the common. So in these equations if you see, that is carbon dioxide is not required. So here carbon dioxide is there, and here, so here is 2 mole is there, here 2, so we have to multiply this equation by 2. So that is this cancel out. Now water is not required in this equation, so 2 water molecule is here, and here is only 1 water molecule. So you multiply this equation by 2 also. So that is what will happen, this water molecule will be out 2 water molecule. So now let us try to solve out the equation. So what is there students, this is what, CH3COOH plus it is coming to be, okay, 2O2 is there, this 2, this is not required this side. So 2O2 this side, 2O2 this side, this is cancel out. So here you see that is the O2 only will be coming. So half O2 multiplied by 2, that is O2 will be left out. So here will be that is O2, and here will be that is it is coming 2H2, and here is it is coming that is 2 carbon, okay, this much. So this is now we got the whatever the required reaction we got student. From this equation what we are going to do, we are going to solve out the problem. So enthalpy of formation, so what is delta FH, okay, CH3COOH, okay, that is what are there students here, that is enthalpy of formation. This you add out this all equation, so that is 870.8, then plus 2 into minus 394, this one plus 2 into that is in bracket how much, 286, these are there. So dear students, what you have to do, you have to multiply these values and then get out to the answers that how much it is coming. So let us try to solve out student that multiply these values, okay. So if you multiply this value students, see how 870.8, and this will coming to be negative, 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 18, that is 8, 2 3 ja 6 1 7, again this is minus plus into minus, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16 है ना, 16 16 1 17, 2 2 ja 4 1 5, these are there. So negative negative will be adding out together, so it is coming 8 7 0.8, and this one 8 2 10, and 7 8 15 1 16, 16, and 7 5 12, 12 1 13, this is coming. Now this negative sign is bigger, so this will become in the negative. So you can 1360 minus, how much will be there, 0.0, 870.8, so how much is coming, 2. Okay, so that is 9. Okay, this one here is the coming 5, so 8. Okay, here is how much coming, student, that is 12, so that is 4. So it is coming 4 minus 489.2 kilojoule per mole. This is our required answer, student. So hence we can write that is hence that is enthalpy of formation of acetic acid, delta FH, that is what, CH3COOH will be how much, student, minus 489.2 kilojoule per mole. This is our required answer, student. Thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.